guys, this is Jenny from Center Petals, where you can find tips and tricks about flowers and floral design. If that's something that interests you, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. Today we're going to talk about Asiatic lilies, also known as hybrid lilies. This is not to be confused with the larger, more fragrant oriental lilies or stargazer lilies. Asiatic lilies like this are what I call showy flowers. They're large, beautiful blooms that command attention in their arrangement and are often the focal point of the arrangement. As you can see, there's multiple bloom heads on one stem and the cluster towards the top of the stem, as opposed to oriental lilies that will have a sporadically along the stem. When I use lilies in an arrangement, I like using Asiatic lilies because they have little to no fragrance, which is great for allergy sufferers like myself. Yes, I know, I'm a florist with allergies, but go figure. White lilies are commonly known to represent purity and can be found in a lot of wedding and funeral arrangements. Asiatic lilies come in a variety of pinks, reds, whites, yellows, oranges, and can often be found year-round. Asiatic lilies can be spendier flowers and often cost about $8 per bunch, which usually has 3 stems in the bunch. These particular ones I found at Safeway in a mixed bunch like this. The mixed bunch also has roses and hypericum berries in it. It makes a nice assortment of flowers. This bunch cost $17 for the mixed bouquet. I love putting lilies with alstroemeria and roses, but they look great with a variety of flowers. A pro tip when dealing with Asiatic lilies is removing the stamen, which is this part on the inside of the open lily. One is starting to stain the petals of the lily, and if you remove it, it will help make the lily last longer once it's open, and it'll also help prevent it from staining your clothes or the tablecloth or anything else really. And to remove the stamen, you simply gently grab it with your fingers and tug it off, and then it's just off the stem. You might actually want to use gloves when you do that, because as you can see, my fingers turned yellow when I did that. To remove the pollen that's already on the petals of the flower, we're going to take a pipe cleaner and simply just brush it off. So just kind of gently brush it off the petal there. And it helps remove the pollen and helps your flower last longer. See, now it's nice and pretty and ready to go for the arrangement. If you found this video helpful, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. That really helps me out. And if you want to learn more about Asiatic lilies or any other flowers, make sure you head over to the free Facebook group called Flower Design for Beginners Community. I'll have the link for that in the description below. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye.